Good morning, everyone. This is Aman Sharma, and the reason for making this video is nothing else but telling you about my SSB experience that I faced recently in this Corona time. That was in Selection Central, that is Bhopal, and talking of Bhopal, I had this SSB in March, but due to this pandemic kind of condition, it was shifted to now July, and the reporting day was 16th as usual, and I left my home from 14th. So I had these two trains and flight from Jammu to Delhi. I went by train. Then from Delhi to Bhopal, I went by flight. Basically, I am from Jammu and I have done my BTech from Himachal Pradesh. So starting from the first day of experience, as usual, we had our this OIR 1 and OIR 2 and PPTT. But the thing is that in these times they have changed a procedure slightly different. So when at the times of reporting, you see they check all the documents, necessary documents at the very initial stage, but now they are checking just your application form, your COVID-19 certificate, and one basic your identity. That could be your Aadhaar card, PAN card, your license or anything else. So these were the only three documents which they are checking. So when we reached there at the gate of these Sultani infantry lines, and the bus took over us and reported us to the gates. So then these all document verification tasks take place. Then we had this OIR 1. So that is Officers Intelligence Rating Test. In this, you all know what we have to do is we have to take the correct answer which we find so. And but a basic difference in OIRs, I've seen that these times they were combination of both verbal and non-verbal. Our OIR 1 was combination of verbal and non-verbal. Not we have seen this earlier times, like the verbal will be this part and non-verbal will be this part, but in these times it is the combination of both. OIR 1 and OIR 2 is also the combination of both. So these were the two OIR. First we got 30 minutes for OIR 1, and for second OIR we got only 17 minutes. So in first OIR I attempted 45 OIR out of 50. In second I attempted about 38 out of 40. So that was my OIR. And talking of now PPTT. So PPTT is picture perception and description test, as you all know, and in this we have to write a story for 3 minutes, and 1 minute is given for the number of sex, age and male which we have to supposed to draw in a box, and other is the action which we have to do. And for 1 minute for these two things, 3 minutes for writing the story, and 30 seconds for perceiving the story, what we perceive generally in the story. So in our case, there was a room and a group of people, generally five people were sitting, in which one was slightly an old age person and the three were young, like 20 to 22, 21 to 22. So the story I made from perceiving that picture was that making of the action was that making of the necessary drug. So the drug could be of what? The drug could be of this Corona time. So this COVID-19 ka drug. So in this story I made that ki Rohit is a boy and he has given a task by his superior to make a drug that is related to Corona. For that he researches and then finds the salts which are necessary for making of the drug. Soon the company sends him the salts and he started experimenting that salts, and after some time the experiment goes well, and he applies that salt to a human trial also. And this was kind of my story. I'm not remembering it all, and this was our story. Then discussion took place. As I am a repeater now, I was screened out in the very first attempt of mine in technical entry scheme from Kapurthala, that is 31 SSB Kapurthala. So at that time, I was screened out. Now, when the time of screening took place, we had wrote all these PPTs, and when the time for discussion came, so we have a group of 13 people in our this group, and total reporting was 56 only. And not you can see that in TGC there are 500 plus reporting every time, but in this time you have a slightly upper edge in your side, that is the reporting is quite less, but the selection procedure and the overall phenomena which has to take place, it's quite accurate. And it's not like that ki you are going this time and they are in search of you and you will go and you will get your job, but this is not the thing. So what else was that we see, the reporting was 56 and we only 13 got screened in which me was the screen out from earlier, and 6 was fresher and 6 was repeater. Total is 13. So we had our discussion. In discussion, it was quite a heated argument because I was in the group of repeaters. Everyone was going to place their point, and it came to a generation of slightly a subgroup in our group. So what happened when chess number I got the chess number 29 in the first stage. So when chess number 25 got narrated its story, it was like he narrated after the 1 minute. It took larger time. So yeah, so it was largely the one time. So he said next. So next also repeated that, and also the overall. When the time of discussion, I initiated the discussion, but it eventually not turned out to be a good discussion. Why? Because people from the other, that is the group, that is the chess number 31 to chess number 36, I guess, they were not indulging in the group. They were trying to make it a fish market. I don't know why they were doing so, but they were doing it, yeah, from this chess numbers only. So they were trying to do this kind of thing ki we are more suitable for taking us as a screen in fresher or this or that, and I find that our discussion was not a good discussion. I only spoke 2 to 3 times totally. So I had this thought in mind that I wouldn't be screened in, but they seek quality, not quantity, as you all know. So the result came, we 13 got screened in, and after that we had to pick up our bags and keep to the other location where the luggage was not kept earlier. So we had to do this, and after doing this we went for our documentation. Now documentation plays a major role, as you all know. So we verified our documents, we gave them the necessary documents which they want, and then they gave us 3 PIQs, that is personal information questionnaire forms, 3 PIQs, each for GTO, psych, and this what is this interview. So we filled all 3. We get passed by 4 o'clock, and we had our dinner at that night, and dinner was fantastic, I must say, and we had sleep at 10. So another day morning our reporting was at 6. Yeah, so the next day is, as you all know, is of psych test. So first we got this thematic appreciation test, that is TAT. We got 11 stories and 1 blank story. We completed it in time. I wrote all of them, and in TAT they were basically some neutral pictures. So neutral pictures are nothing else but in which you are not seeing something that comes into your mind. For example, if I'm seeing a person holding another one's collar, I can see that this person could have led to something that he is holding his collar. But in these pictures, neutral pictures, we were seeing that a hand, only a hand, and a back. a person is putting something into his bag. One picture was that, another was that a person is holding another person's hand. So basically out of 11 pictures, I must say 6 pictures were this neutral pictures, and then we had our VAT. So generally in VAT kind of thing, I say that you all have been doing practices in your home, and in VAT you see that when we practice, the time is very less, and we have to just, we cannot think of the thing that we should do. If a word is like water, so we'll think of water, what is water, and this like that. We have to write what earlier comes to our mind. So in VAT there was no that thing we have to do this and that. So VAT was good. I only left 2 VAT. Then comes SRT. Now SRT, you know that SRTs are something that is next to TAT, which should be done in a good way. And we received our SRT books, and there were total 60 SRTs and 30 minutes for that. Generally we see SRTs of 2 lines, 3 lines, maximum 4 lines. But in our case, the SRTs was exceeding 4 lines. In every next SRT, it was exceeding 4 lines. So we managed to do 50 plus in this also. But I must say that was not very well done by me. But it was good. According to the time, it was good. Then was the self-description, in which we have to write 5 paragraphs. The first was your parents' opinion, second was your friend's opinion, third was your teacher's opinion, then fourth is what is the type of person you would like to be, and fifth one was what is the person you are now. Okay, so these were the 5 topics. Generally you see in self-description there is parents' opinion, mother's parents' opinion, then we have this friend's opinion, teacher's opinion, and your strengths and weaknesses, or what is the aim that or qualities that you like to inherit in you. So this is the self-description. But in this time we had a slightly change in this. We were supposed to write what type of a person you are and what type of person you want to be. So these were the 2 different things which I see in this self-description. Oftenly it is the same and one and the same thing, but it's just the procedure for writing is little different. So this all test was completed by 11, and we had our lunch at 12. During this time we had a lot of time. We had a lot of time to just do nothing for a cause, because this times they are not letting us go outside and explore the city, as Bhopal is the city of lakes, but we didn't see anything. So that was slightly a bad thing for us. To the persons who are going for SSB, they all will be knowing this fact. So on the 3rd day it was our GTO 1. So what is GTO 1? In GTO 1 we had our only 6 tasks, and GTO 2 we had only 3 tasks. So in GTO 1 we were supposed to be reported at 6, and we get ready by 5, and we had our breakfast at 5:30, and we got to the place by 6. So the first and the foremost task was group discussion 1. So the topic for group discussion 1 was this coronavirus only. So I'm not remembering the exact words what GTO say, but it is something to this only, that what has impacted most in times of coronavirus. It is the social life, or it is the economically this thing of our country, and or the any other issue. So this was the first topic. In group discussion 1 you have given 2 topics. You have to choose any one of them. So one was this, and second was privatization of industries. So what is the cause of that? He stated as 3 causes. I'm not remembering those causes, but this was this 2 topics, GD topics. So we choose this corona because out of 7 members of our group, every 4 person were interacting, and they were saying that we will be doing this corona wala topic. So this is for the GD1, and in GD2 we were given a topic that has to be group discussed on the particular topic. So that was women empowerment. So these were quite less, quite normal topics. You cannot say that they are very much infringements, or there are many more difficulties in this topic. So we had this group discussion, two group discussion, then our GP was there. So GP is this group planning exercise. You have to plan out something. There are 3 problems or 4 problems. You have to plan out something, and you have to just go to the location where you have to start it, or where have to you go. So in our GP there was 3 problems. The first and the foremost was we have to save a person who is drowning. Second was that we have to inform the police about some thief which has stolen the goddess in the temple and ran out to the somewhere location. The third was we have to assist the ferry driver to maintain his boat. And the fourth was the binding factor, that is, you all know that we have to reach our destination which is written on that. So if you are doing GP at your homes, you must be related to this. If I'll explain you GPE, so it would take a lot of time, as it usually has taken 16 plus minutes now. So this was our GP. Then we had our progressive group tasks, then we have our half group tasks, then we have this our half group and that was the progressive group task and half group task. So we were in a group of 7. We did our tasks well. We completed each of the obstacle that was coming in front of us, and the half group task we were only 3, and the another group was in 4. So we completed all this. So next day at GTO2 we had 3 things to do. That was our individual obstacles. Then also on the first day we had snake race also. Snake race, you all know, you have given load that is in the form of snake. You have to run, and you have to win, or let to win your group. So we had this snake race also. And on the GTO2 we had individual obstacles, final group task, and command task. So individual obstacles, you all know, we have given 10 obstacles. We have to complete it in 3 minutes. I completed 10 only in the specified time, as the basic disadvantage which people will feel in this corona times in doing individual obstacles is nothing else but their masks. So when your mask is up, your oxygen level increases to a certain level and your body exerts. So that was only the disadvantage which we have during this time. So we did our individual obstacles. Then the second was our command task. Mine was last. I did it quite well. First, when I was doing the command task on the first very structure, I was not able to think out anything. So I shifted in only 30 to 40 seconds. I wasted time, and I shifted to another obstacle, so another structure. So I completed that in time, and my GTO said, so this will work, so you can leave now. Put your loads on the space they are kept on, so you can leave. So we had this command task, and the last was final group task. Final group task is nothing else but there is a little complexity of going ahead, and your final all the members of your group should be passed through these 2 lines, which are finish line and the starting line. So these were our 3 tasks. And also I had my interview on the psych test only. So we were 13 candidates only, though it was a very less number of screening candidates, but you know, they are searching for quality, not quantity. So my interview was done. And talking of interview, in my interview, it was quite a nice interview, I must say, according to my perception. But generally there are some weak points you have ever in your life which can be displayed or could not be displayed in front of the interviewer. So I had this. I changed my clothes when I was in psych. I changed my clothes and I got ready for the interview. I went to the location where the president was sitting, and I knocked the door. He said, "Come in, Aman." So I sat down on the chair. First, I sanitized the chair. So this drill, sanitization drill, you have to follow every time there. You should know that. If they would not tell you, "Ki Aman, please take your sanitizer and sanitize your chair." It's your thinking that you have to sit on this thing and you have to sanitize before sitting. So I sanitized the chair. I sat on this chair. He asked me some questions. Where are you coming from? How do you come here? What are the modes of transport which led you here? Then what kind of things that and then the rapid fire started, starting from your class 10th qualification. Tell me about your number of percentage. Then 12th, the subject you like the most, the subject you don't like, the teacher you like the most, the teacher you don't like, how you spend your evenings, what is the daily routine of yours. And then I got two questions that was not in my mind, but when I left the interview I got their answers. So why got their answers in terms of not ki what is the solution to their answer, got in their answer in terms of how the interviewer has asked me those questions, or where the thought has been come to the interviewer's mind to ask me that question. So he said to me that ki Aman, okay, if you're not recommended this time, so what you are gonna do, or what your this future goals are. So I said, up to 27 years of age, sir, I'll come to army only and I'll join army. But if any circumstances I would not be recommended, then I will go for merchant navy. So he said, okay. So he asked me some questions, and asking me some questions, he said, Aman, if you want to go from Mumbai to UK, so which water route you would take? I was blank. I didn't know this. I just said Suez Canal. I was not able to explain. So now another question was from the basic technical questions. I did all the technical questions, but I didn't know the basic principle of this electronic circuits. So basically I'm from an electrical background and I don't know much about electronics. Though I have studied electronics a little bit, but I am not good in that, so I would not discuss that part in this video. Yeah, that was the technical questions. The first technical question for electrical would be, what is the use of capacitor in a DC circuit? That you all must know if you are electrical engineer, not an electrical circuit. The second was, if a bird is sitting on a wire, it happens that he is not able to feel any current. If Aman will sit on wire, Aman will happen to follow the line of these currents or not? So this is also a simple question. You must know the answer of this, or you can Google upon this. I will not answer you because it will take a lot of time to explain you about this. And third was the principle of this electronic circuit. So these three questions, and certainly he changed our this answers to this Suez Canal of thing, and I got blank at that point of time. Then he questioned me some more related to my friends and family. I was comfortable answering him, but he asked me one question, that Aman, if I asked one of your friends that what are your two qualities, generally he said to me that how many friends do you have? I said, sir, I have 3 friends, and generally I am a social man, but now I have only 3 friends. And the first one, he said to me, if your friend 1, the name which I will not disclose here, so he said to me that if your friend 1 talks with me and I ask him to tell your 2 qualities, what would be that? This was the question. Then second question, he asked, if I talk with a friend 2, what are the qualities that he will tell me about you? that you are this type of person that will explain yourself. So this was this thing that he asked me about my friends, and every other question was from your family only. How do you spend your times in your whole your routine life? Are you reading newspapers or not? Are you playing a good amount of time? And also he advised me about I do gym. So he said, what, why have you written gym? You should have written gymnasium. So I said, sorry sir, from next time I would be writing gymnasium only. So that was all about my interview. Then last day it was conference. Conference, you all know, RSS set in a line wearing their uniforms, and we have a closing ceremony that they say to us that you are, if enough passionate to come into forces, you would come next time also. Although I would like to tell you one thing, that before our batch there were three batches. Yeah, there were three batches that were going on. We were in this Bhopal, where 20 SSB, Bhopal is there, 21 SSB and 22 SSB and 34 SSB is for Navy. So we had these three SSBs, but they had their this TGC ka batch going on, and early to us no one was recommended at all. Not even a one candidate was recommended. All the three batches were flashed out at the very first this conference stage. So we were had this factor ki they will also wash our this they will also wash out our batch also. So we had this in our mind, but although our mind does what we look like, so we did conference. He asked us, Aman, how was the stay? How do you like the food? Is everything good? Is any feedback you want to give us? Also, he asked me that, Aman, rate your performance in numbers. So I said, sir, GTO was my first, then was psych, and third was interview. So he said, what happened in interview? So I said that I was not able to answer 2-3 questions. So he questioned me at that time ki, Aman, do you know the answers now? I said, yes sir. Although I didn't know, but I said, yes sir. So yeah, so he said ki answer. So I explained him some little this what I have in mind. So he said, okay Aman, thank you very much, you can leave now. So I get out of the room and I went for the area where they were leaving us. So after 2 or 3 hours we had our result. A major came holding a file, nothing inside, but just to tell us that you all have been okay, I'll cover that in the next video. I'll not tell you everything now, because if I'll tell you everything in this video only, what is the point of discussion of this SSB? The suspense which I have in my life and you have in your life should be generated, because suspense is something that endeavors us in life. So yeah, that's about my experience, and for result you have to watch my next video that would be made if and only if I'll get a good response in this video. So I hope you like this video. If you have any problem related to SSBs, or you have to ask me something, you can comment down in the comment section. And I also encourage you all to join the forces and be a carrot or be a helping hand to our nation. That would increase our strength and maneuverability in every cause. And yeah, that's it. So if you like the video, please there is a button, I don't know where, but it's here only, so you can like the video and share. If you have any your friend who is preparing for SSB and how these all document verification is going place, I can tell in every single video. So yeah, that's for it now, and see you next time. Until then, goodbye. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.